Let's get test ready. Let's get test ready. Flex your fingers. Neck घुमाओ. Come on, Vihan. सर पकड़ो और घुमाओ. थोड़ा सा मसाला इधर उधर घूमेगा सर का. All the masala in your head will go left and right. So east will go to west and north will go to south. Oh my God, that will be crazy when that happens.
That's great.
Let's flex our muscles. Let's flex our muscles, finger muscles. Flex your finger muscles. Okay? Okay? Ready? Vihan? Vihan, you and I agree on one thing, that I will decide the break. Okay? Unless the test is over, we are not taking a break because we'll become short on time. Okay? Let's start quick. I'm quickly going to share my screen. I'm quickly going to share my screen. And your test will start once you see the screen. One. Where is my screen? Okay, ready? Keep your pencils, your pen and your book ready. Okay? All right. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. I'm going to put everyone on mute so you can clearly hear what I'm talking. Okay? So you will not have any disturbance. Now, what you see on your screen is the images of two pictures that we've already discussed in class. Do we agree that we have discussed it in class? Do we agree that we discussed these two images in class? Yeah? Subhan, please pay attention here. Subhan, I will not repeat. Subhan, today's test, so we are very tight on time. Okay? So you all have seen these two pictures when we were doing our class, correct? When we were doing sketch and plan. Now, this picture is going to remain open here and you are going to answer. See these two images and give your answers to the below questions. One major difference that you see between these two images based on the drawing. Okay, you just have to write one major difference that you see between the two images based on the drawing. Okay. Second question is, which one gives you a better understanding of the place? Remember, this is how you read the sketch. Okay. So what one person writes may not be what the other person writes. Okay. Which one gives you a better understanding of the place? One picture which helps you understand कि हाँ ये सब कुछ यहाँ पे correct है. If you were given these two images, what would be the corrections you will come up with? Okay. You have 15 minutes to answer this question. All right, there are 3 questions. You have 15 minutes to answer. Anybody has any questions, you can ask me your questions now. Yes, Subhan, you had some questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this all will come in a test, no?
This is a part of your test, baby.
Ma'am, what test is this?
Geography.
Geography?
Yeah, open the geography side of your book and write over here. Ranveer, you had some question. Is that answered?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishka, any questions that you have? Okay.
Yes.
It's very, very easy for you all to answer this. I'm going to put everyone on.
Can't understand question number 3.
Okay. You understand question number 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we start?
Yes, start. Your time has started. Okay. If these two images are given to you and you had to make some corrections, what correction would you make on image on the left and what correction would you make on the image on the right? Remember, we discussed this in our geography class. Do you remember? Yeah. So you have to just write 2-3 points of what corrections you have to come up with. तुम क्या करोगे तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, I'm going to mute your mics so there is absolutely no disturbance. Each of you can focus on your answer. You have 15 minutes according to my clock. It is 3:07. You have time until 3:17. Start. Now, finish fast. All your mics are on mute. If you need to ask me anything, you need to raise your hand. Subhan, you want to ask something?
No.
Okay. Oh, I thought I saw you raise your hand. Come on, Subhan, fatafat kar do. Vihan, baby, do you need any help?
No.
Vihan, you don't need any help. You can do it on your own, right?
Yes. Can.
Thank you. Lovely, lovely. Tanishka, you know all the answers. Give good answers. We have discussed this in class. You just have to write what comes to your thoughts when you look at the pictures. Two minutes are up and I know you all are doing very, very well. Good job. Bihan, pay attention. Write fast. All of these carry marks for your class. Write fast. You all know how to go about it. Yes, Ranveer, you have some question?
Ma'am, I have done. I'm done.
Have you answered the last question as well? If you were given these two images, what
Yes.
would be the corrections you will come up with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written one major difference you see between two images based on drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which one gives you a better understanding of the place? You've written that as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Go through the questions, see if you can improvise your answers. Matlab, if you can do some corrections, you want to add something, you think you can make it look better, go on. Since you have the time, make use of the time.
Yes,
Since you
ma'am.
have the time, make use of the time. See what you can improvise on your answers because you have the time for it. Yes, Subhan.
Ma'am, I have also done writing the
You've
answer.
done all the answers. If you were given these two images, what would be the corrections you will come up with? You've written that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to read through your answers and check if you want to make some corrections, additions? मुझे लगता है कि मैं ये
Ma'am,
एक लाइन लिख सकता हूँ extra. You want to do that?
ma'am, first one I have written. The first
Subhan,
one is check and
Subhan,
second.
Subhan. We are not looking to discuss the answers right now. We are not looking to discuss answers right now. Okay? Okay? Let the others complete. If you have done, keep reading to check if you have done it right. We have another 5 minutes. Yes, Tanishka.
I also finished writing.
Very good, very good. Go through your answers once. Go through all the answers once. We have another 3 minutes, so make full use of the time. Ranveer, go through the answers. Subhan, go through the answers. See if there is any better answer you can add to it, extra sentence that you can add to it. Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am, when are we going to discuss the answers?
I will tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Vihan, have you completed?
Yes.
So all of you have completed? Arey wah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you have completed? Cool. Now go on to the next set of questions, which is here.
Where?
Here you go. Here are your next set of questions. Copy them, go about answering them. Fatafat.
It is correct. It's not 2050.
I know. Look what I have typed. Oh, crazy me. I'm already transporting myself to a different land. Thanks, Vihan. That's a crazy typing mistake I made. Okay, done. Okay. All right. Look at the question. You have 15 minutes to complete this. Okay, your time starts now. Yes, Tanishka? Open up your mic, Tanishka. Answer me. You have some question. Come on, copy it and write it fatafat others. If you don't have anything to ask me, keep completing the answers.
Ma'am, what to do?
What to do? You tell me, what do you think you should do? I have put up questions in front of you. What do you think we should do? Tanishka? Tanishka? Can you see the screen now? 1 minute. I'll just share my screen. Can you all see the screen now? You can see the screen now? Yes, Tanishka, ask me.
Ma'am, we want to write questions.
Tanishka, what is there on the front? क्या लिखा है इसमें?
option. Fill in the blanks with a correct option.
Come on, you know to write questions and answers. Come on, फटाफट कर दो. Go on,
Ma'am,
go on.
but-
You just have 15 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Vihan, have you completed it? Huh? Vihan, have you completed? Do you have any questions?
I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Okay. There you go. Your questions. Can you see the screen now? Cool. Cool. प्रेम से लिखो, अच्छे से लिखो. Write well. Subhan, pay attention to the questions. Don't look here and there. Just look at your book and give the answers. We've studied all of these answers. Vihan, you have any questions? Or it's all clear for you to write?
Why is math important?
Yes, Tanishka.
When I don't think third and fourth one.
Have you completed the difference between map and globe, plan and sketch, globe and atlas? Have you completed 2A, 2B and 2C?
Ma'am, I have not completed them, so I'm telling you I don't know third and fourth.
You complete what you know. What you don't know, you don't do it right now.
Okay, ma'am.
If you complete what you know, then you can do the others. When you look at a question paper, there will be something that you don't know. You don't have to worry about that. If you don't know that, don't you worry. Just go to the things that you know and complete them first. पहले जो आता है उसे खत्म कर दो, उसके बाद जो नहीं आता है उस पे दिमाग लगाओ. kids, we have another 3-4 minutes. Okay. ध्यान से आराम से लिखो. We have another 2 minutes. Everybody done?
Ma'am,
Subhan, you have completed?
no, ma'am. Last sum.
Last one? Okay. Completed. करो. Vihan, तुम्हारा हो गया?
हाँ.
All of it. Fourth question also, 5 important elements. ये भी हो गया 5 important elements. Vihan, Saxena, 5 important elements. Last question number 4. हो गया क्या?
हाँ.
No?
हाँ.
Vihan, put that bottle aside and answer me correctly. Have you completed it or not?
हाँ.
Oh, good. Okay, very good. Ranveer, are you done? Tanishka, are you done? We are almost time up. Ranveer, Tanishka, if you can unmute yourself and answer the question.
No, ma'am. I'm on the B. On question 2.
Question 2B.
Yes, ma'am.
Dude, you have a long way to go.
Now my pen all ink finished. That's why.
Why have you taken so long? Vihan, you can take a break. You can go for a walk and come back. You have 5 minutes in your hands.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I also
What
drink
you need to
water?
do, what you now need to do, Vihan, is click a snap of all your answers and send it on the group as soon as you can. Take a snap of the answers and send it on the group because Padma teacher is going to check the answers. Click the answers and those who have completed, click the answers and send it on the group. Those who have completed, click the answers, send it on the group.
State.
Those who have completed, click the answers, send it on the group. Subhan, are you done? Subhan, are you done?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
तुम्हारा पूरा all 4 questions खत्म?
Yes.
Difference between map, globe, plan, sketch, globe, atlas, all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cartography, 5 important elements, everything done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Leave your books aside, go for a 5-minute break. Go.
Ma'am, snack break.
No रे बाबा, ये क्या है? हमेशा खाते रहेंगे क्या? नहीं नहीं, no snack break right now. Just be around, take a walk for 5 minutes and come back. I'll give 5 extra minutes for Tanishka and Ranveer to complete. Vihan, I just saw your answers. Vihan, you had to write difference between map and globe. Where is the difference? You've just copied map and globe and left it on the book. Who's going to write the difference? Vihan, you had to write difference between plan and sketch, globe and atlas. You've just copied the question and given it to me. That's not how it is done. You know the answers, right? Then why haven't you written the answers? ये कैसे चलेगा? Rest of the time we don't have to write again. Come on. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Complete it fast. Vihan, this is not done. When you've been asked to do something, you should do it complete. You cannot leave it halfway. This is not good. Come on, Vihan. Jaldi. Yes, Tanishka, what do you want to ask? Tanishka, cheer up and sit straight and talk. I can't hear you clearly.
Ma'am, I don't know. Third and fourth one.
Why you don't know? You didn't study for it. We did it in the class. I have explained it. I even sent you the notes. And still, if you have not done it, then what should we do, Tanishka?
Ma'am, no, I have done it. but
Then
I have forgotten it from my mind.
नहीं ऐसे सब नहीं होता है.
Oh,
No. If you are going to study last moment, it will not be in your head. That is why I've been telling all of you every day. आज क्या खत्म हो जाता है, आज ही के आज उसको पढ़ के खत्म करो. वीकेंड पे थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लो. एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले पढ़ोगे तो दिमाग में कुछ नहीं रहेगा. You will go blank. No problem. Whatever you have completed, click a snap of it and send it to me quickly. Tanishka, Subhan, whatever you have completed, click a snap of it and send it on the group. Ranveer, your time is up. Ranveer, unmute yourself, put on your video.
Ma'am, my video is taking a lot of data. My Wi-Fi, I mean.
Oh, okay. All right, fine. Have you
Ma'am, I'm just
completed?
on the last question. I'm on just on the last question.
Jaldi. Put off your video if you don't have to keep it on. Subhan, come back. Vihan Saxena, I'm waiting for you to complete the question. Sorry, complete the answer. I need you to give complete answers. उसको copy करके मुझे देना है तो फिर वो क्या टेस्ट हुआ? वो तो मेरे पास already है. Vihan, you're getting 5 extra minutes. Make the most of it. Jaldi karo. You had so much time. Why did you just copy it and leave it at that? Not done. Subhan, where are you? I asked you to go for a 5-minute break, not for a break for a long time. Subhan, you have sent me the answers. जो notes तुमको दिए थे उसमें ऐसे 1-line answer था क्या? हाँ सुभान, तुमको जो notes दिया था, तुमको जो PDF भेजा था, PPT भेजा था, उसमें ऐसे 1-line answers थे क्या? We are not in grade 1 and 2 to write 1-line answers, no? Are we in grade 1 and 2 to send 1-line answers? Why have you just written so much? बाकी के answers कहाँ गया? रोटी के साथ खा गए? हाँ? What is this? ये 1 line 1 word का आंसर क्या है? ऐसा लिखते हैं आंसर्स? What is this, baby? Anyways, I'm going to send these to Padma teacher, so she will see what is done. Okay? All right. Vihan Saxena, are you done? Vihan Saxena, are you done?
Yes, come ma'am.
Good. Ranveer Singh, are you done? Ranveer, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Chalo. I'm going to stop sharing the screen now. Okay. Now I like it when I can see all of you like this. Good.
Can we do diary writing?
Okay. Now we are going to go on to diary writing. Who wants to take a 5-minute water break or a 2-minute water break? Yes. Go quickly. Drink water. Come back.